Today, I'm going to share my review of the Bonnel 775MX, a bike that's been turning heads in the electric mountain bike community. What makes this model stand out is how it blends the agility of a traditional mountain bike with the raw power of an electric motorcycle, often earning comparisons to the Surron. Let's start with performance. The motor is seriously powerful, giving you both pedal assist and a full twist throttle, so you can climb steep inclines, handle technical drops, and even hit jumps with ease. Reviewers describe it as playful, fun, and jibby, meaning it's easy to throw around for stunts and maneuvers. With adjustable power modes, you can ride it like a standard EMTB or crank up the throttle for a full Emoto experience. And with a top speed of 36 to 37 miles per hour, it's far faster than most electric mountain bikes on the market. Another highlight is its versatility. It feels at home on trails, off-road climbs, and even casual street rides. Many riders love the fact that you can customize your ride depending on your mood, whether you're looking for endurance, speed, or freestyle fun. Of course, no product is perfect. One notable drawback is durability. At least one reviewer reported breaking multiple spokes within the first month, suggesting that while the bike's motor and torque are impressive, the wheels may need stronger rims to handle that level of power long term. Overall, the Bonnel 775MX is highly recommended for thrill seekers who want a bike that pushes beyond standard EMTB limits. It's powerful, fast, and incredibly fun, though riders should keep an eye on maintenance, especially with the wheels. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more reviews.